Hey guys, it's Takisa and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be coloring my 613 bob wig that I purchased from Amazon. I don't remember the name of the company that I purchased it from, but if I do and I find the name, then I'll go ahead and put that in the description box below. The color that I'm using today is from Kiss Colors. This is their rose gold, and this is a semi-permanent color. I have a black comb to stir everything together as I color it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that everything is open and ready to use. I already have my kettle going, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that and pour that hot water in the clear container that I have here. Look at all that booty. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in the container and make sure that the water isn't too hot, and then I'll go ahead and start the coloring process. Okay guys, so as you can see, I started the coloring process, and the rose golds took to the hair very well. I actually love the color that it came out. There is a little bit of blonde still on the wig in the middle, so I'm going to add some more color, and I'm going to add a lot more so that it takes, and hopefully it does. And then I'm going to go ahead and stir it with that comb and then dip the hair one more time. So now that I finished coloring the hair, I am going to go ahead and wring the hair out. There is still some blonde in the back, but that's fine with me as long as the front is true to color. And you guys, this is my first time doing watercolor. I'm proud of myself. I think it came out really, really well. I definitely enjoyed Kiss Colors. I've been using that brand for a long time, so I knew this color would be amazing. But as far as the hair came out really nice, and the hair doesn't shed too much, so I'm not going to put the hair on in this video. I'm going to wait till the hair dries. I'm going to air dry it, so it's going to take a little longer, and I'm going to do a full review on the color, the hair, and all of that. So I'm going to get the details about this hair and do a full review for you guys so that you guys can go ahead and purchase if you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment in the comment section below, so I know you guys want to see more hair videos. I don't mind sharing my hair tips and hair routines with you guys, but I want to know if you guys want to see them or not. So if you enjoyed this video, then give me a huge thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.